used Pimsleur to learn Japanese? If so, this is for you. Pimsleur provides a solid starting point in learning Japanese, especially for developing your listening skills. Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher, and I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so we'll keep improving together. So here are 4 features that help build the foundation. 1. Audio lessons. It's perfect for listening on the go, allowing you to learn whilst walking or doing chores. 2. 30-minute lessons. Its manageable sessions encourage daily learning and reinforce commonly used basic phrases. 3. Listening and speaking. You take on a role and repeat set phrases as instructed. 4. Grammar and vocabulary. You learn everyday words and basic grammar through English translation. If you've been using Pimsleur, great job! You've started turning your ear to Japanese and picked up some useful words and phrases. But what's missing? Pimsleur falls short when it comes to real-life conversation. It tells you what to say. For example, I'm American in Japanese, even it's not true for you. There's a limited explanation of grammar and little cultural context. You memorize set phrases but struggle to express your own thought. The lack of visual context or logical flow to scenarios result in a less immersive experience. To truly advance, you need modern repetition. You need meaningful communication practice. Why is Master Speaking Japanese different? Master Speaking Japanese is designed to help you speak confidently, naturally, and personally with the support of real native teachers. 1. Real-life lesson videos. These will help you learn in context with clear, useful scenarios. For example, Lesson 1. How to order food at a table. Lesson 2. How to take away. Lesson 3. How to ask about items in a shop. You'll see authentic body language and tone. You can understand how to act politely like a native speaker. Each lesson includes 3 short videos up to the first 17 lessons and 4 videos afterwards, all 5 minutes each. It's perfect while waiting for the train. 2. Personalized speaking practice. Practice conversations relevant to your own life. If you like Japanese curry, you can order it for practice. Question and answer format helps you think and respond naturally in real time. 3. Clear grammar and vocabulary. You'll understand grammar deeply with cultural context and nuance. Speak as yourself using vocabulary that matches your real-life needs. For example, if you like Japanese whiskey, you can ask for the whiskey section in a department store. 4. Human interactions. Learn from videos featuring native Japanese speakers, including me, your teacher. Receive expert tips and feedback to help you study smarter, not harder. Are you ready to speak Japanese for real? If you are serious about connecting with Japanese people and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started with 7 free lesson videos and join live support sessions with me. Please sign up from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.